Welcome everyone. The first step to use LED flash alerts is we're going to open up the settings, and inside of the settings I want you to scroll all the way down until you see accessibility. If you don't see this one here, tap on general first, then accessibility. Inside of accessibility, I want you to locate where you see audio/visual, and then at the bottom we see LED flash for alerts. So let's tap on this one, and I want you to turn on the LED flash for alerts. And so when you get a new notification, the flashlight is going to blink temporarily, and that will let you know. You can also set the LED flash to run while unlocked as well, or to even flash in the silent mode. With that being said, if you'd like to help support the channel, please do check the description. Bye bye.